Welcome everyone to UCWeb Videos, where we dive into the most exciting DIY projects that you can easily do at home. Today, we're going to explore the world of star-shaped paper crafts. These aren't just any crafts, they're magical creations that can transform your home, office, or any space into a wonderland of stars. I'm thrilled to share these ideas with you. So let's get started. Our first project is the star paper lantern. Now, these lanterns are not just decorative pieces. They're mood setters. Imagine the soft, warm glow of these lanterns in your room, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. You can use different colors and sizes of star paper to customize them to your taste. Next up, let's talk about star paper strips. These versatile strips can be used in a multitude of ways, from creating 3D star ornaments to intricate paper weavings. The possibilities are endless. I especially love using these strips to make garlands during the holiday season. It adds a personal and festive touch to any celebration. Now let's add a bit of fun to our stationery with star paper clips. These aren't your ordinary paper clips. They're little stars that can brighten up your paperwork. They're perfect for organizing your documents or just adding a bit of whimsy to your daily tasks. Plus, they make great little gifts for friends and colleagues. Another fantastic craft is using star-shaped paper punches. These tools are incredibly versatile and can be used to create beautiful designs on cards, scrapbook pages, or even to make your own confetti. The precision and neatness of the shapes these punches create are absolutely amazing. And let's not forget about star paper itself. The variety of textures, colors, and sizes available makes it ideal for a wide range of crafts. From making star-shaped booklets to wall art, the paper itself can be the star of the show. As we continue through our crafting journey, remember that all these materials can be easily found and purchased. In fact, to make it even easier for you, I've put together a selection of these crafting supplies on Amazon. You can find everything you need with just a click. Check out the link in the description below to shop for these items. Not only will you find high-quality materials, but you'll also be supporting our channel by shopping through this link. Crafting with star-shaped paper is not only about the final product, it's about the process, the joy of creation. It's a way to unleash your creativity and make something truly unique. And the great thing about these projects is that they're suitable for crafters of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your crafting journey or an experienced crafter looking for new ideas, these star-shaped projects are perfect for you. Now let's dive into some tips and tricks to make your crafting experience even more enjoyable. First, when working with star paper, don't be afraid to mix and match different colors and textures. This can add depth and interest to your projects. Also, if you're using star paper punches, try layering the shapes to create a 3D effect. This technique works great for greeting cards or wall art. For those of you who love upcycling, star paper crafts are a fantastic way to repurpose old paper materials. You can use pages from old books, magazines, or even wrapping paper to create something new and beautiful. This not only gives a new life to old materials, but also adds a unique touch to your crafts. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that crafting is all about having fun and expressing yourself. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Feel free to experiment and let your imagination run wild. And if you need any supplies, remember that you can easily find them on Amazon through the link in our description. Shopping through this link is a great way to support our channel and keep bringing you more creative content. In our next segment, we'll be showcasing some of the best creations made by our viewers using these star-shaped paper crafts. So, if you've been inspired by today's video, don't hesitate to share your creations with us. We love seeing your amazing work and might even feature it in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me today on UC Web Videos. I hope you're as excited as I am about these star-shaped paper crafts. Stay tuned for more inspiring DIY projects, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, happy crafting.